Hey guys, this is Nacho. She's a Chihuahua and she loves to bark. But the thing is, she only loves to bark when you really piss her off. Look at those ears. Look at those. She's listening to me intently. Nacho, should we show him how you bark? Should we? What are you doing? Why are you barking? Why are you barking? She pissed? Hey, you come here. You show me how you bark. Get pissed and do your sneezy thing. Hey, come here. Bark. JK, you don't want to bark anymore. It's not very becoming on you. So, Nacho is probably the cutest Chihuahua that you've ever seen in your life, and she's very aggressive, and she gets evil sometimes. So you can go check out her other evil videos, or you can see videos of her being super cute. But if you like Nacho, subscribe to her YouTube channel. And if you really love Nacho, then share her on your Facebook so all your friends can meet her. Hi. Yeah, say ciao. Oh, thanks, Nacho. You're cute.